Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, currently in YouTube, if you create a playlist, normally what YouTube does is it lets you set the first video in the playlist as the thumbnail. So that's what happens by default. So as an example, if I just head over to Google Apps, which is a playlist I've created for the channel, we can see that the last video I posted is the thumbnail image for that actual playlist. And the only way you can actually change that currently is to head to another video, and you can then set another thumbnail from another video as the playlist thumbnail, as we can see. So there's no way currently to upload an external image into that playlist to set that playlist thumbnail for any image you'd like to upload. You can only set the first. By default, the first thumbnail is set, or you can choose another thumbnail image from existing videos in the playlist. Now, this is all set to change according to a post by Android Authority, where they have spotted a string in one of the recent YouTube apps. And if we head over to that string, basically, according to the string, YouTube could soon let you customize the thumbnail of your created playlist by uploading your own thumbnail image. Because here we can see playlist cover upload failure, dialog button close, dialog button retry, cover upload failure, dialog message. So we get the idea. So this is a string that's hidden quite deep in that actual app, and they've managed to dig this out. And you know, for someone who's uploading numerous YouTube videos a day, I actually think this is a small yet a significant change, because there are a lot of personally, and for this channel, there are a lot of playlists that I would actually like to have a custom image for, and not just what's found in the actual playlist. And I think this will just add a lot more customization option to the actual to an actual playlist over on YouTube. So like always, I'll keep an eye on this one. And obviously this is still very early days, so at this stage we don't know when this is actually, and if it will ever go live, but these strings that were spotted are a good indication that obviously this is something that Google and YouTube are working on. And I actually hope that this does make its way into the actual app, and also obviously to the desktop version of YouTube, because I think this is one of those small but significant changes, especially if you are working with playlists on a regular basis and on your day-to-day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.